Good afternoon, guys. Today we're going to talk about gift card fraud. All right, so let's start. I got my what it looks like a squash soup right here instead of coffee. All right, gift card scams often exploit the way cards are displayed and activated. These are three of the most common schemes reported by the retailers, such as Best Buy and consumer protection agencies like the Federal Trade Commission. So, first, gift card tampering, barcode replacement scam. How it does work? The scammer removes the gift card from a store rack. They record the card number and the fake barcode sticker over the original one. The card is returned to the shelf. When the customer buys the card, payment is loaded, and this immediately being replaced and being used by the hackers. Second, pay with gift card, impersonation scam. That's what happened to me right now. A scammer impersonates an authority figure. They claim you must pay a fee, tax, or emergency cost using the gift card. Typically, scripts including fake tech debt, fake police warrant, and fake tech support, which happens very, very, very often, and more. They instruct the victim to buy codes from people or places like such as Best Buy. Oh, I got a good story about that. Scratch the pin, read the numbers over the phone. Now, here's a good story. A few years ago, I got a phone call, a scam phone call saying that all my devices will be deleted, this and that and whatever, and I have to give them a Google Play card, gift card. Now, I'm on the iPhone, I'm on Apple, and this person is asking me to buy a Google gift card to activate my account again, or else everything will be permanently deleted. It was really funny because I actually, when I recorded the whole conversation, gave it to Apple, and I was sitting there trying to trigger his anger because I'm like, I do have both. Can I give you an old one? Can I give you this one? Blah, blah, blah. And, towards the end, I got enough information that this was definitely a fraudulent call. And, I sent it to Apple and I hung up the phone afterwards. But I already got enough information, out of him that it's such a scam that it's happening. And Apple actually wrote an article about it to warn the consumers afterwards. This was a few years ago, maybe back in 2022. All right. Next one, balance draining, number monitoring. How it works? It's a scammer records the card number from the store rack. They use automated tools to continuously check the balance online. I wish I have that. Once the card is activated by a buyer, they immediately spend the balance online. Next one is rack harvesting. It's a fraud method where criminals exploit unactivated card display on retail rack where they are sold. And it's similar to what I've just explain to you guys. The card data collection, the monitoring of the activation, and the immediate spending of the gift card. So right now I got gift cards stuck at Best Buy that I don't know what to do because these people stole the physical gift card and I'm unable to get reimbursed or even get it changed. So I don't know what's going on. All right, so how do we prevent it? All right. So next one, obviously, some prevention. First, transaction tracking. Make sure that you track the transaction, obviously, on your bank as soon as you bought a gift card and as soon as they activate it. Second, retailer internal fraud review. Large retailers have loss prevention or fraud investigation teams. They can freeze the remaining balances if reported quickly, review the POS or point of sales activation log, or trace which account and order is used for the funds. For example, fraud units within companies like Best Buy, which I used to work for at the headquarters, may review suspicious redemption patterns. Next, law enforcement reporting. I'm not even going to go there. Number 4, digital evidence analysis. I am not even going to go there with the police, but I'm going to let you guys know what it is. All right, so it is, where was I? I'm so sorry. All right, guys. Yeah, IP address, the shipping address, the device identifier, the store security footage if the card was redeemed in person. Now, these hackers are able to actually be able to change even the bank's footage for me, showing that, I was the one that went into the deposit and stuff like that. Okay, now next, recovery possibility. Recovery is more likely when the fraud is reported quickly, within hours or days. The balance has not yet been spent. The purchase was linked to an identifiable account or shipment such as Best Buy. Recovery is less likely if the cart value was quickly converted into resold merchandise, digital goods, or multiple split transactions. Some prepaid network cards, such as Visa or MasterCard, gift cards may require online registration before online purchase, but they are still activated upon purchasing. All right, so I guess that's very informative stuff that people should know. It's not new. It's nothing new. The prevention obviously is typically become useful immediately after purchase. So if a criminal is able to know the card's number and PIN, they can spend quickly and easily. And for me, Best Buy shows up the number doesn't match the PIN. Well, I called them. Did I get the right rep, or did they redirect me to somebody else? Right, that is what I'm kind of worried about, because they told me to go into the store and go into the store, which I did along with the receipt and the cards, and guess what happened? I can't go to Shoppers anymore because I don't have a physical card. So there goes my $400. So immediate step: if a gift card was drained, you contact the retailer's gift card support line immediately, provide the card number, the PIN, and the purchase receipt. Request a fraud investigation or the balance freezing, as well as report the incident to the Canadian Anti-Fraud Center or the FBI Cybercrime team or IC3 as well. Anyways, take care. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Bye.